lahat.
Hanggang sa nagsimula na ang kapamilya housemates sa kanilang task.
Thank you.
Let's go!
Pamilya!
Dito, lang.
Ate.
Testing lang. So, as straight as possible, guys.
Diretso lang to. So, bale, wala tayong gagalawin. Siya lang talaga.
Wait lang.
Up.
Up.
Wait lang.
Ay, pero pwede naman ibaba, no?
Yung pinakamahirap po na parte, yung pag-balance nung board.
Up ba agad?
Oh!
Pagpalabas na, tayo naman yung...
Okay.
Yeah. Slowly but surely, I think. Up. Hirap.
Ang dami pong butas, kuya. Mas marami pa dun sa walang butas. So, ang dami niyang pwedeng paglalaglagan.
Okay siya.
Go. Up.
And I think pag yung bola per duo na lang, example, sila Ate Clarice.
If it's in your level. Okay.
Yeah. Go. River muna.
Easy.
Ang mga housemates, sunod-sunod pa rin ang hulog sa bola.
Slowly pa. Left. Make it go left.
Down Ate
Go.
Ayan.
Yun. Feel ko.
Okay.
Right.
Level muna.
Tik lang.
Okay.
Ate lang pag i-up.
Up muna.
Sobrang hirap po ng task. Parang it was like 1%, 1 out of 1,000 possibility, kuya. Kasi ang daming host dito.
What if dalawa lang yung gagalaw? Harap sa tayo.
Yung iba stable.
Stable lang.
Stable lang. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Better.
We all had different opinions, all had different suggestions. We were being so strategic, kuya. We were overthinking it.
Mas maganda kung mabilis. Okay, mabilis talaga. Oo, para talaga.
Oh, yes.
So dapat...
1,